Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered chicken. You will need chicken wings, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 onion, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, canola oil for frying, and parsley to garnish. To your flour, add the paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Coat your chicken with the seasoned flour and set them both aside until later. Add your oil to the frying pan, then using medium heat, bring the oil to temperature. Fry your wings for 15 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. Remove your chicken from the pan and set aside until later. Pour off most of your oil, then saute your onions for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove your onions from the pan and set them aside. Now remove the remaining oil, leaving only about 3 tablespoons behind. Add 4 tablespoons of your seasoned flour, then whisk until a golden brown color develops. Now add the chicken broth. Add your milk and continue to whisk and allow the gravy to reduce and thicken. Add your onions to the gravy, then return your chicken to the pan. Baste your chicken with the gravy, then allow it to simmer for an additional 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.